For this corrosion experiment, we use a simple steel nail since it's a common metal we see in everyday life, like construction materials and tools. Steel tends to rust when it is exposed to air, so it makes it a good material to test how well corrosion prevention methods work. So to protect the nail, we used white spray paint as a coating. We chose spray paint because it is easy to apply, affordable, and it acts as a barrier that keeps out water and air, which are the main things that cause rust. This paint also has properties that help it resist sunlight and moisture, so it can hold up better in different environments. We prepared 2 nails, one coated with spray paint and one left uncoated, and placed them in 2 different environments. One is set outdoors under the sun, and one is set indoors in open space. This setup helps compare how the painted and unpainted nails react to different conditions and show how well the coating protects against corrosion over time.
Hi Mama Iqbal. So today I'm doing experiment. One of the steps in the experiment to test which one will corrode first. As you guys can see, this one already been coated and this one is uncoated. So I will put the nail here and see what will happen in 2 days. Hello guys, back again. It's been 2 days since I left my material outside my house and see what will happen. So as you guys can see, the coated one remained the same, nothing changed. But the uncoated one change his looks, start to corrode. The coated one seems a little bit corroded. The result after a couple of days. The coated one still pretty, and the uncoated one is very worse. The skin becomes so rough. So, at the end, as you can see, the nail become very worse. The skin so rough, and look at the coated one. Not too worse.
My name is Tan Session and I'm from group 15. The material we use is nails, and this is the coated nails and this is the uncoated nail. So we are going to put the nails indoors for 2 weeks, and today is the first day, so we are going to observe and record the condition of the nails. So now we are going to observe these 2 nails. This is the coated nails and this is the uncoated nails. So today is the 3rd day. Let us take a look at the nails. The coated nails and the uncoated nails look same as the first day. Today is the 5th day. Let us take a look at the nails. For the uncoated nails, there is no changes that can be observed from the surface of the nails. While for the coated nails, it looks a bit corroded compared to the first day nails. Today is the 7th day we observe our sample. For the coated nails, there is no changes on the surface. Then for the uncoated nails, there is a little bit corroded compared to the 5th day. Today is the 9th day, so we take a look at the sample. For the coated nails, there is a clear corrosion on the surface, and for the uncoated nails, there is no changes on the surface. Today is the 11th day, so let us take a look at our samples. We can observe that the color of the uncoated nails become darker, means that it is undergo corrosion. While for the coated nails, it remains the same. Today is the last day we will observe our samples. For the uncoated nails, it has been corroded, but the corrosion rate is lower at indoor. For the coated nails, we can observe that it does not corrode and remain the same from the first day until the last day of observation. The study
study highlight the impact of environmental condition and protective coating on steel nail corrosion. Although uncoated nail corroded severely due to exposure to moisturizer and pollutant, while coated nails show reduced corrosion, those minor rules appear due to incomplete coverage or weathering indoor. Uncoated nail dark but roasted less than too low humidity, where coated nail remain pristine. This confirms that white spray paint effectively prevent corrosion, especially indoor. For harsher environment, improvement like durable coating, multiply layer, and proper mental study highlight.
Experiments show that environmental factor and protective coatings greatly affect the corrosion rate of steel nails. Uncoated nails placed outdoors corroded the most, while coating nails show much less rust, especially indoors. White spray paint provides effective, but for long-term protection, stronger coating, multiple layers, and regular maintenance are recommended. In conclusion, corrosion prevention should match the environment and use of the metal to extend its lifespan and reduce damage. That's all for me.